Hello? Nobody heard? किसी भी नहीं सुना है? अच्छा, any of you have? Okay, I have started getting answer, but you can speak also. There is a provision you can speak. Sweta is saying tax is which we pay to the government. Okay. Process is saying taxation is the amount we are payable to the government. Okay, one is paying, another is payable. What else? Additional payment while borrow the goods and services, which is utilized in government activity. Okay, very nice. What more? What more you know? The amount to government. Okay, you must be knowing railway belongs to government of India, and you must have uh, any point of time in your life must have traveled through railway, including Western Railway. Yes or no? Okay, we buy the ticket. Okay, we pay certain amount to the government. Will it be considered tax? Will the ticket fare will consider tax? Okay, can you tell me how many of you are paying tax? You can unmute yourself and you can speak. I want to be an interactive session. How many of you are paying tax? Very simple question. I'm not going to read the chat. Yes, whatever the answer we are getting, from the children is correct. All of you are paying tax, but you don't know about taxation. What a strength. And do you think without knowing about it, you can survive, you can be there in India, you can consider as a citizen of India, you can absolutely not. So now my question is different. How many of you are paying direct tax? Because in our syllabus, we have direct taxation. Am I right? What is there in your syllabus, dear student? What comprises of SY BAF semester 3 syllabus? It is direct taxation. How many of you are paying direct taxation? The answer is none of you. Okay. Any of you can get the bill, any bill which you have paid. Go and search. Below the bill, there will be certain amount of taxation. might be IGST, CGST, SGST. ढूंढ के लाइए तो फटाफट, कोई बच्चा बिल लाके बताओ, स्विच ऑफ वीडियो फॉर 2 मिनट्स, गेट अ बिल, कहीं से ढूंढ के लाओ घर में से, ढूंढो ढूंढो क्विकली. Any bill which you have paid to the registered vendor who have registered under GST, you will be finding in that bill something at below after certain things, after all the amount, as the amount of taxation. If you got it, please show me who has got the first. Quickly, जिसने सबसे पहले लाया हो. किसी को नहीं मिला? None of you got. Even though you must have ordered something for food or anything to Zomato and all, in that bill also there will be an amount of taxation. Got anyone? MACD also will do. But just show the bill to all of them. If you have that bill with you. My voice is not audible. Is it so? Atharva has a problem. Other students, are you finding this difficulties? So Atharva, you do one thing. You leave the meeting and come back again. Now is it okay? Are you able to hear me properly? Okay. None of you got any bill. Not too active students. Okay, try today. Do you think tax is a new concept? Recently, government has started collecting from you. Earlier, it was not there. Is it so? What is your perception about tax? And let us first understand whether taxation is required or not. What is your view regarding that? Taxation is required or not? Ronnie, Jayashree, why it is required? Why it is required? See, you can speak. I have given you opportunity. I mean, मैंने ऑप्शन दिया है. You can unmute and you can speak. Yes or no? Why we need to pay to the government? And since when we are paying to the government? Are we getting justice what we are paying for? These are the question which we should raise if we are paying tax. Yes or no? नहीं लगता आपको? First and foremost, see, I am telling you again and again. I don't know whether I have interacted with you and you have attended my auditing session or not. I want to keep an interactive session. If you speak, I will hear, it will be much better. Okay, we can save a lot of time. In writing, you are wasting time. In reading, again, I am wasting time. It should not happen. खुशी जयश्री जो भी है प्लीज बोल दो फटाफट. So there are few questions which first and foremost we have seen that all of us we need to pay tax. Yes or no? We agreed to this point. Then we realized that there are something to be payable by all of us, that is known as indirect tax, commonly known as GST. And there is another tax structure in India which is known as direct tax. All of us we are not paying. Because just now we got the answer from you all. When I have asked how many of you are paying tax, you stated all of us. But when we have asked how many of you are paying direct tax, you stated none of us. So today I wanted to put certain queries, certain question in front of you. And I expect your response on that. Okay. Second thing I have asked, since when we are paying tax? Suppose we are going to refer direct tax, that is Income Tax Act 1962 or Income Tax Act 1961 and Income Tax Rule 1962. Are we paying the tax from 1961 only? Before that there were no tax? Or when there were Britishers there were no tax? Or when there were Mughal there were no tax? Or suppose
Sir, tax
India,
is a very
tax?
Sir, tax is a very old concept. Like it has been there. Sir, tax is a very old concept. It has been there for a long time.
Unable. एक second. You're on it. Please go ahead.
Sir, what I said was tax is a very old concept.
Taxes?
It has been there. A very old concept. It has been there for a long time.
Very nice. Thank you very much. This is what I expect. It's very old concept. Even though you will see the old scripts in Vedas and everywhere, you'll find tax. I can give you a few examples. You must have seen the movie Lagan. देखा था कितने बच्चों ने लगान देखा आमिर खान का मूवी? अरे बोलो यस और नो. लगान नहीं देखा आप लोगों ने?
यस
यस सर देखा है.
देखा है? उसका मतलब क्या था? What was लगान? लगान was
Tax.
what?
Tax.
Tax.
इसका अलग नाम था. ओके, दीज आर हिस्टोरिकल मूवी. आपने जोधा अकबर देखा है? देखना.
Yes.
देयर वाज अ पर्सन जो फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर था, दैट वाज टोडरमल. And at that point of time also there were tax. Okay. Have you seen, oh, क्या नाम है यार, ऋतिक रोशन का एक मूवी था जिसमें वो मगर वगर को मारता है. व्हाट वाज दैट मूवी?
जोधा अकबर.
नो नो नो, दैट इज अनदर. उसके अलावा और एक मूवी था. हड़प्पा संस्कृति के बारे में बोलता है. वो नील लेके जाता है टू सेल देयर. एंड
मोहनजोदारो.
मोहनजोदारो देखा आप लोगों ने? जानवी ने राइट आंसर दिया. मोहनजोदारो देखा आप लोगों ने?
Yes, sir.
How many of you have seen? देखो that movie also. When they want to enter, मालूम है उसको नील देना पड़ता है, and then only you can get inside to that to trade your things, to sell your product. Yes or no? जैसे मुंबई आने से पहले हम लोग ऑक्ट्रॉय देते हैं. आज देते हैं कि नहीं? So it is not a new concept. ये सदियों से चला आ रहा है और सदियों तक रहेगा जहां तक सिविलाइजेशन है. अगर सिविलाइजेशन नहीं है, नो टैक्स. आपको टैक्स नहीं देना है तो आप हिमालय के ऊपर रहो, कोई पूछने नहीं आएगा. जंगल के अंदर रहो, कोई नहीं पूछने आएगा. बट वहां कौन कौन पूछने आएंगे आपको और हमको सबको पता है ना? जिंदा ही नहीं रहेंगे हम. Yes or no? So when we talk about civil society, civilization, it will come together. Civilization में without taxation not possible. Any country you go, I have visited more than 10 countries. Everywhere I have paid tax. Everywhere you need to pay tax. Provided you are there in the civil society. Agreed or not? Even if you see any Vedas, Puranas, everywhere it is. Chanakya was also finance minister. He also used to help Chandragupta which kind of taxation to be imposed on the people, on the citizens. Okay. Acha, how many of this is then tomorrow again I have session in your class. Am I right? B division. Do we have session tomorrow? Have you seen your timetable? देखा है कि नहीं?
No, sir, it's on Wednesday.
Maybe day after tomorrow. चलेगा. Please study these things before attending the lecture. Do some homework and come. I've already shared you certain bridge course material. Yes or no? To the respective division. Please read that. last year I could not got the opportunity to deal with you all. इसलिए इस साल before having the regularization, I took this opportunity and I stated I will teach in all the class of FY which I have missed, sorry, SY which I have missed last year. Okay. Second important thing, many of you have already paid fees. Whosoever has left, kindly pay as early as possible. Okay. And keep it as interactive session. Then only you will enjoy the session. You will feel that we are in classes. We will be in virtual class. Thank you very much. Be at home, be safe, take care of yourself, take care of your family.
Thank you, sir.
Attendance. Ronit, sir, Saranya used to do it last year. Who used to do it for this thing? Saranya will continue. Huh?